Standard 7th subject Social Science, chapter number 5, India, Agriculture, Industry and Transportation, part 3. In previous two parts we have learned about the agriculture of India, types of crops grown in India, then industries built up in India, and today we are going to learn about transportation of India. Roads and transportation are not only used by men to transport goods from one place to another, but also to bring the people nearer to each other. It helps in promoting the unity of a nation. There are roadways, airways, railways, and waterways in India. Along with them, ropeways are also used. Pipelines are also used to transport liquids. Each and every means which is used to transport something or to migrate from one place to another is known as the source of transportation. First is roadways. As we can see in this map, there are National Highway which is shown in green color and golden quadrilateral which is seen in red color. These are the national highways of India which joins one big city to another in states. Roadways are unique feature of a nation. It has its own characteristics and advantages. It reaches the smallest village. The road network of India is one of the largest network of the world. Types of roadways. Village road. The village road connects the village with the main city or taluka or district. Second is district road. District road connects the major region and city with taluka. State highway connects the state capital with the district headquarter and important cities. And national highway is the most important highway. It connects one state with another. It connects the main city, port, administrative headquarter, etc. There are approximately 50 national highways in India. The national highway number 7 is the longest highway of India. It extends from Varanasi to Kanyakumari. And national highway number 8 connects Delhi with Mumbai and passes by Ahmedabad and Vadodara. National highway number 35 is the shortest highway. It connects Kolkata to Bongaon, the city near the border of Bangladesh. The quadrilateral formed the 4 national highway connecting Mumbai, Delhi, Kolkata and Chennai is known as Golden Quadrilateral, which is shown in that map. The red line which joins the 4 major cities Mumbai, Delhi, Kolkata and Chennai is known as Golden Quadrilateral. Next transportation mean is railway. Indian Railways is very important mode of transportation. Many people travels together at same time. Goods in bulk quantity can be transported together. Traveling has become faster and today, instead of coal, diesel or electric engines are used. It carries many passengers at a time. Metro rails in Delhi and Kolkata are used to travel fastest with no time. Railways are also used to transport goods in convenient and speedy way. The third method of transportation is waterways. In India, waterways are the most important and less expensive mode of transportation. We know that mostly when we are importing or exporting the goods, it comes from waterways. In India, the Ganga and Brahmaputra are the perennial river. Hence, steamers, boats are used to transport passengers and goods throughout the year. International trade and traveling for pleasure can be carried out via waterways. Mostly goods are importing and exporting through waterways because it is less expensive and it can carry bulk production at one time, whereas airways cannot get bulk production at one time and it is very expensive. Airways in present time are used to reach from one place to another with short span of time, whereas waterways take much time comparing to airways. Airports are constructed for the safe takeoff and landing of the aeroplanes. There are international airports Mumbai, Delhi, Kolkata, Chennai, Bengaluru, Hyderabad and Panji. International airports are located in Ahmedabad, Mumbai, Delhi, Kolkata, Chennai, Thiruvananthapuram. Indian Airlines provide the service for domestic travel and Air India provide the service for international travel. There are more than 100 national airports in India. Apart from this, private airlines also function as an important means by air. So we can reach the destination in short time. The last and important means of transportation in mountainous region is ropeway. The region where roads or railway cannot be constructed, where ships cannot go, where plane cannot land, at that type of places ropeway are useful. In this way, people can reach to high destination through ropeways. What are the ropeways constructed in Gujarat? The ropeways in mountain regions, such ropeways are available at Pavagad, Ambaji and Saputara in Gujarat, at Rajgir in Bihar and at few places in Himalaya. These are the ways of transportation in India: roadways, railways, waterways, airways and ropeways. In this way, we can transport goods as well as people can also migrate from one place to another. You have to complete this chapter in your workbook and in your map. You have to fill up the maps through the help of your textbook and map book given in your map book. Thank you.